For the continuation, for the neuromuscular maturity, scar sign elbow does not reach midline of thorax, and then heel to ear is 2. So moving on, this is the chart for the assessment for Balliards. As we can see, the skin, it is said in the case that it is cracking pale area rare veins there, crackling pale with rare veins, then lanugo bald areas, hair bald areas. As you can see, it is scored 3. Then creases anterior 2/3 here. So I scored 3 for the ear form 7 firm with instant recoil, hair form and firm with instant recoil, it is 3, still 3. Then the testes down with good rogae, it is still 3, testes down, good rogae. And then for the neuromuscular maturity, they said that full flexion of arms and legs, full flexion of arms and legs here. Arms, it's flexed and his legs is flexed. 30-degree angle, square window angle between hypothenar eminence and anterior aspect of forearm. So here the 30 angle, which is scored 3, and here, by the way, the posture is 4. And then the arm recoil less than 90 degree when forearm is flexed for 5 seconds, then released. And so here it is said that it is less than 90 degrees. So here, and it is scored 4 for the popliteal angle. It is 90 degree here. 90 degree, it is still scored 4. And the scarf sign elbow does not reach midline of thorax here, as you can see in the picture. Then next is heel to ear, it is already scored, so 2. And all in all, if you add it, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 3, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 4, 33 plus 3, 36 plus 2, 38. So that is 38 weeks of AOG. And here it is the score is 35, which is 38 weeks. So that is all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.